as we invariably get through this, they'll be back. The consumer's strong. They've stayed strong, and I think you said that just a little bit ago. Anybody who bets against the American consumer is going to lose. And really, it didn't surprise me, Leslie's report on, some of the brick and mortar stocks growing. They've been so beat down, many of them, that invariably there will be winners out of that group as things come forward. I mean, apparel stocks, travel and leisure, as you cited, have all been hit terribly. And if you can find survivors in that group, they will rebound, and you can make some money in the markets on them.
There's only two things that I never want to have happen again, Bill, when this thing is over. Number one, I never want to hear the term abundance of caution. If I never hear that term again in my life, it'll be too soon. It's like, out of an abundance of caution. And number two, I never want to tear down another cardboard box. And I think that I'm not joking, we're well overstating this idea of online ordering. Yeah, online ordering is convenient, but I wouldn't call it fun. The American consumer uses shopping as a distraction. It's almost a sport. Not everybody's going to survive. The malls will have to change. A local mall near me is half empty. The department stores are gone. How do you see it evolving to the right mix, Bill?
Well, interesting. I couldn't agree with you more. I think in the Wall Street Journal just the other day, there was a great article on this, where even with the acceleration to e-commerce, we're still somewhere around 18% of retail in the U.S. is online. The rest is physical retail. So there are going to be winners. Americans are shoppers. And to be quite honest with you, I'm curious to see what happens with no Black Friday, whether they can actually move all that volume online and ship it, which is going to be a challenge. But I think that there'll be a separation. I think the real acceleration that we'll see in retail is the retailers who were having some difficulty before the pandemic. That difficulty is going to be massively exposed, and they'll be the ones that will be challenged to make it. Retailers who were well run and well capitalized and have a nice market position will survive this thing. And on the backside of it, there'll be massive opportunities for them to grow, and even a period where I think there'll be opportunities to grow more brick and mortar retail outlets. So you'll see fewer but stronger retailers, in my view, coming out of the backside of this.
Is there a Black Friday anymore? Or is it a black, month of November in a sense, right? I mean, I'm already seeing ads for Black Friday sales 2 weeks ago.
I hope it doesn't turn into a black hole. That day is so important for brick and mortar retailers. Walmart, it does massive amounts of volume on that day. And for years and years, retailers have been trying to shift that volume forward or after Black Friday to spread it out because they just can't get any more through there. It'll be very, very challenging for them to match that volume. If it goes online, three things are going to happen. First, they're only going to shop the deals, and the deals on Black Friday are margin neutral or loss. So there's not much margin there. So I think you should watch the margins. Second for me is, can they push all that volume out? Will the volume be, that they did on Black Friday weekend be met by the spreading of it and the online aspect of it? And third is, can it be shipped? I mean, there's already a shipping crunch with UPS and FedEx and USPS where there's no more capacity. And so now if you take the billions of dollars that was bought at physical retail on Black Friday and try to ship it, you're going to get crazy.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.